always loved food, like from very early on when I was little. Then after, I was not so much into healthy lifestyle for a long time. I grew up in France with like cooking involving like butter and crème fraîche and sugar, that kind of thing. But it really came when I was pregnant of my first son. So during my pregnancy, I started to search a bit more and be more interested about it. And I guess just the feeling of having someone in me and just starting to pay a bit more attention. I studied gemology, so I worked in the diamond business and jewelry business for 10 years. After my maternity leave, when I came back to my work, I was not sure I wanted to do that anymore, or I wanted to change the industry. So that's why I came back sort of part-time and study nutrition on the side. I think I chose CNM because of the recognition. I heard lots of great comments about it, and it was this particular natural chef diploma I thought was very interesting. I was very happy about the course and the way it was done, about the lecture. Also, it allows for people that are working or have a family life to work around it, which is nice. It's not sort of like full-time, so you can make your way around and make it work for you. I think I've always wanted to have my own business, but after it's always the question of timing. So when I was studying at CNM, there were lots of business sort of lectures that were very interesting. There was like lecture with Kimberly Parson that was very helpful. Also to learn about the journey of René Elliott, the founder of Planet Organic, helped me sort of like try to find a way. At some point you just need to go for it, and that's what I did.